Voilà, soyez le bienvenu. This is Engineer Kanene. In this particular video, we talk about retrofitting in construction. Every good engineer must understand what retrofitting is, because retrofitting is going to save money, it will save time, and it will save probably human life. So, what is retrofitting in the construction industry, particularly in civil engineering? Now, retrofitting is simply the process of upgrading or improving an already existing building or structure to enhance its performance or extend its lifespan. When you talk about upgrading, we're talking about structure-wise, structurally upgrading an already existing building. Instead of demolishing a structure, we know that structures with time tend to degrade in terms of structure strength. So other structures will experience cracks, other structures will have structural failures. So now, when those failures and cracks begin to occur, do we demolish the structure, or is it possible to work on the structure without demolishing it, to reinforce it, to make it more stronger without actually demolishing the entire structure? For example, if it's a frame structure, let's say a G+3 building, so if the owner of the building says, I would like to extend more floors on top of my building, so can we do it without actually demolishing and starting again? The answer is yes. We apply what is known as retrofitting. So retrofitting is simply upgrading an already existing structure without demolishing it, Now, one of the methods of retrofitting in construction is what is known as column jacketing. Column jacketing. From the term itself, column jacketing, it's simply the process of reinforcing a column by adding other materials in form of a jacket. We want to reinforce its structure strength, its bearing capacity. We want to reinforce the structure, and there are basically three ways of column jacketing. The first method is the use of steel plates. Okay, this is a column, and the use of steel plates were used here steel sheets in order to reinforce this column. The second method is the use of reinforcement bars. These are reinforcement bars, then concrete is casted to reinforce this already existing column. The third is the one where we use what is known as a fiber reinforced polymer sheets. These are fiber reinforced polymer sheets. So all these three are methods of strengthening columns, and this method is known as column jacketing. So now, why do we need to retrofit? We need to retrofit to save time. It saves a lot of time. It saves us a lot of cost, because demolishing and reconstructing would cost about maybe even 7 to 8 times the initial cost. So you want to save a lot of money, and retrofitting also enables us to save mainly human lives, because when a structure falls, it becomes a hazard to the environment and harmful to us human beings. So those are some of the advantages of applying what is known as retrofitting. Thank you.